We are pleased to show you the 2021 Sierra 3500 HD. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, trailer brake controller, fog lamps, inside you'll find Sirius XM radio, HD radio, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, cruise control, power outlet, Bose sound system, center console, compass, floor mats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.